বর্তমান আমি দেখিবা যে মাইক্রোসফট ওয়ার্ড क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 रे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल एंड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावरपॉइंट आर द पार्ट ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस सूट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज मैक ओएस एक्स एंड नन ऑफ दिस इतरे हमर आंसर टी हबो जे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस सूट। नेक्स्ट आसला क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 the basic unit of worksheet into which you enter data in Excel is called a dash. That is number 1 option tab, number B cell, number C box, number D range. Now the answer will be cell. Now we'll go to the question number 3. You can keep your personal files folder in option A my folder, option B my document, option C my files, option D my text, option E none of above. So my document is your answer. Now question 4. We can detect spelling and grammar error by press shift plus F7, press F7, press alt plus F7 and none of this. Now the answer will be press F7 for the spelling error in the grammar. Okay. Now question 5. Using the print preview is useful when you want to option color the document, save the document, copy the document, view how TRIP document will appear when printed. The last option, the view how to TRIP document will appear when printed. Question number 6. Microsoft Office document image is number 1 option is an application that supports editing scanned documents. Number B, a scanning and OCR application. Number C, diagram and flowchart software, and D, none of these. Now your answer will be an application that supports editing scanned documents. Now we'll go to the question number 7. Which command is used to quit PowerPoint? PowerPoint को बंद करिया पाई हमर केउ कमांड टी दरकार पड़िबो, that is alt F4 or alt shift F4 or F4 or none of these. Either A or B. Sorry, either A or B. So the answer will alt F4 to close the window. Ame jiba question 8. The command used to remove text or graphics from a document. The information is then stored on a clipboard as you can paste it, chop, cut, clip, cut away. So cut is your answer. Okay. Now we'll go to question number 9. A website's main page is called its home page, browser page, search page, bookmark. The home page is your answer. Question number 10. In a spreadsheet, a dash is a number you will use in a calculator. Label, cell, field, value. That is value is your answer. Question number 11. What is the use of section in Word document? To divide the document into parts so that each part may be independently printed when the print command is given. Number B, to divide the document into parts so as to allow certain parts of the document to display data from a table. Number C, to vary the layout of a document within a page or between pages by dividing the document into parts and then allow formatting of each part the way you want, none of the above. So C will be your answer, to vary the layout of document within the page. Now we'll go to the question number 12. What do you call the word processing task associated with changing the appearance of a document? Formatting, editing, rewording, none of the above. So number A is the answer, formatting. Question 13. In Word, you can force a page break by positioning your cursor at the appropriate place and pressing the F1 key. By positioning your cursor at the appropriate place and pressing Ctrl plus Enter. C. By using the insert or section break by changing the font size of your document. Now the answer will be the B, by positioning your cursor at the appropriate place and pressing Ctrl plus Enter. ଆଉ এই କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନଟି IPBS ର ପିଓର ପରୀକ୍ଷା 2011 ରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆସିଥିଲା. Now question 14. Platform in the computer world means computer hardware used, operating system used, computer software used, all of the above. The answer will all of the above. These are the Question 15. What happens when you press Ctrl plus V key? A capital V letter is typed into your document at the cursor point. The selected items is pasted from the clipboard. The selected items is pasted to the clipboard. The selected drawing objects are distributed vertically on the page. So the selected items is pasted from the clipboard. Now question number 16. Microsoft Word by using dash button, new, start, program, control panel. Now the answer will program. What do you need to put your web pages on the www dot? A connection to the internet, a web browser, a web server, all of the above. Now all of the above is your answer. Now question 18, जोटा कि IPBS क्लर्क 2012 रे आछि. Office Assistant is an application that allows you to take notes and save them in file. Number B, a button on the standard toolbar that executes the save command. Number C, a collection of autocorrect option in Word. Number D, an animated character that offers helps and suggestions. So D is your answer. Question number 19. The contents of disk are lost when the computer turns off. Number A, storage. Number B, input. Number C, output. Number D, memory. So memory is the answer. Question 20. SBI Clerk 2009 a disk pre-designed documents that already had coordinating fonts, a layout and a background. Number A, guide. Number B, model. Number C, ruler. Number D, template. The answer is template. Question 21. To insert a page break in a Word document, the following options are used, that is insert and copy. Number B, insert and enter. Number C, insert and page layout. Number D, insert and break. The answer is insert and break. Question 22. To reload a web page, press the dash button, redo button. Number B, reload and reload, restore, control. So that is B, reload and reload. Question 23. Microsoft Office SharePoint Designer is used for number A Wishwife is HTML editor and web designing program for customizing SharePoint applications. It replaces Microsoft Office front page. Number B, project management software to keep track of events and create network charts and Gantt charts. Number C, diagram and flow charting software. None of these. So the answer will be your A. Question number 24. SBI Clerk 2009. A dash is named set a character that have the same characteristics: typeface, type style, font, and pico. So B will be the answer, type style. Question 25. A popular presentation program for Windows and Mac in Microsoft Office is number A, Microsoft Word, number B, Microsoft PowerPoint, number C, Microsoft Access, none of this. So B, Microsoft PowerPoint is your answer. Question 26. What menu is selected to print? A, file, B, tools, C, social, D, edit. So A, that is file. Question 27. In Excel, desk contains one or more worksheet. Number A, app template. Number B, workbook. Number C, active cell. Number D, label. That is workbook. Question 28. Which key on the keyboard can be used to view slideshow? That is F1, F2, F5 or F10. The answer is F5. Question 29. What display the contents of the active cells in Excel? Name box, row headings, formula bar, the task pane. So the answer will be formula bar. Now question 30, that is SBI Clerk 2009. Data that is copied from an application is stored in the driver, terminal, prompt, clipboard. That answer will be the clipboard. Now question 31. A DVD is an example of an hard disk, optical disk, output device, solid state storage device. This is your answer, solid state storage device. Now question number 32, SBI Clerk 2009. Text in column is generally aligned dash, justified, right, center, left. Your answer will be justified. Now question 33. The most important or powerful device in computer in a typical network is desktop, network client, network server, network station. The C will be your answer, network server. Question 34. In order to choose the font for a sentence in a Word document, is dash, select from in the format menu, select font in the edit menu, select font in the tools menu, select font in the insert menu. So A is your answer, select font in the format menu. Question 35, SBI Clerk 2009. In the page preview mode, you can see all pages of your document. You can only see the page you are currently working. You can only see pages that don't contain graphics. You can only see the titles page of your document. So A will be the answer. You can see all pages of your document. Question 36. What is the purpose of Control I shortcut key in MS Word? A, it converts selected text into the next large size of the same font. Number B, it applies the italic formatting to the selected text. Number C, it makes the selected text bold. It adds lines breaks to the document. It applies the italic formatting to the selected text. B is your answer. Question 37. What is the purpose of headers and footers used in document? Number A, to enhance the overall appearance of the document. Number B, to mark the starting and ending of page. Number C, to allow page headers, footers to appear on document while it is printed. D, none of the above. So answer will be the C, to allow pages, headers and footers to appear on document while it is printed. Question 38. The user can use this commands to search for and correct words in a document. Print and print preview, headers and footers, find and replace, spelling and grammar. Find and replace is your right answer. Question 39. Presentation password protected for operating or modifying can be opened by PowerPoint Analyzer, PowerPoint Viewer, PowerPoint Conductor, none of these. So answer will be your B, PowerPoint Viewer. Question number 40. এটা BPSPO 2013. How many types of sales references are available in Excel? Number A 3, number B 4, number C 8, number D 10. The answer will be number 3. Now we'll go to the question number 41, IBPS PO 2012. What features adjust the top and bottom margin so that the text is centered vertically on the printed page? Number A, vertically justifying, vertically adjusting, C, dual centering, D, horizontal centering. So A, the vertical justifying is the answer. Question 42, days are attempted by individuals to obtain confidential information from you by falsifying their identity. Number A, phishing trips and computer viruses, spyware scams, and D, viruses. Question number 43. A dash is a professional designed empty document that can be adapted to the user's need. Number A, file. Number B, guide. Number C, template. Number D, user guide file. C is the answer, template. Now, question number 44. For creating a document, you use dash command at file menu. Open, close, new, save. So, the new is your answer. Question 45. When the margins on both sides are straight and equal, then there is dash in document. Full justification, full agreement, left justification, right justification. Now, the full justification is the answer. Question 46. The very first version of Microsoft Office was released for Windows operating system, Apple Macintosh OS, Unix, none of these. So, this answer will be Apple Macintosh OS. Question 47. That the IPBS Clerk 2011, in Word you can use style to make copies of documents, B, save changes to documents, delete text in documents, format your documents. So, the format your documents is your answer. Question 48. The result of a formula in a cell is called A, level, B, value, C, range, D, displayed value. The displayed value is your answer. Question 49. Which among the following print commands should be selected to print first 5 pages of documents? Number A, page setup. Number B, print all. Number C, from dash to dash. Number D, none of the above. That is from page to page. So, okay. Now, question 50. In MS Excel, for movies, to move the current selected range down a row, you will press Shift plus up arrow key, Shift plus down arrow key, Control plus down arrow key, none of these. So, the answer will Shift down arrow keys. Thank you. ଆଉ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଯଦି ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥାଏ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବେ ଏବଂ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ କରିବେ, କେବେ ଭୁଲିବେ ନାହିଁ। ଆମକୁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ମନେ ରଖିବେ। ଆଉ ଆଗାମୀ ଦିନରେ ଆମେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆହୁରି ସୁନ୍ଦର ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେବୁ। ତେଣୁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଆପଣମାନେ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବେ ବୋଲି ମୁଁ ଆଶା ରଖୁଛି। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।